Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Continue tayo guys sa ating history guys dito sa ating 10 times ng France. 10 times ng France na mayroong taon na 1995 ang kanyang history. So dito na tayo sa number 6 guys, page. The gold francs worth 1 livre tournois was introduced in 1360 to pay the ransom of the King John II of France. This coin secured the king's freedom and showed him on a richly decorated horse, earnings it the name France of Cheval, meaning on horse in French. The Auvers legend, like other French coins, gives the kings little as a Francorum Rex, king of the Franks in Latin, and provides another reason to call the coin France. Dati pala guys, King of the Franks in Latin. So, ngayon ay tinatawag ng the Queens of France. Another reason for call the Queens on France. John, son of Charles V, continued this type. It was copied exactly at Brabant and Cumbria, and with the arms of the horse, clothes, chains at Flanders. Conquest led by Joan of Arc allowed Charles VII to return to sound coinage, and he revived the France Archibald. John II, however, was not able to strike enough France to pay his ransom, and he voluntarily returned to English captivity. John II, however, was not able to strike enough France to pay his ransom, and he voluntarily returned to English captivity. John II died as a prisoner in England, and his son Charles V was left to pick up the pieces. Charles V pursued a policy of reform, including stable coinage, and edict dated 20 April 1365 established the centerpiece of this policy, a gold coin, officially the dinars D or ox fleur de lis, which had a standing figure of the king on each obverse pictured under the canopy. Its value in money of account was 1 livre for tournois, just like the France Archibald. And this coin is universally known as the France Pid. In accordance with the theories of the mathematics, economist, and a royal advisor, Nicole Oresme, Charles struck fewer coins of the better quality gold than his ancestor. And the accompanying depletion both prices and wages fell, but wages fell faster, and debtors had to settle up in better money than they had borrowed. The mayor of Paris, Inchini or Martial, exploited their discontent to lead the Jacquerie revolt, which forced Charles V out of the city. The France force bitter, it becomes associated with money stable at 1 livre tournois.